can be persistent. The answer doesn't come on Monday, continue on Tuesday. Press further on Tuesday. You don't get it on Tuesday, press further on Wednesday. You don't get it Wednesday, press on Thursday. Don't happen on Thursday, press on Friday. Same thing till Sunday. That whole week you don't get it, start the next week. Keep pressing because you're going to get it. See, make up your mind, you're going to get it. You're going to get it. You're going to get it. And you're going to get it now. You go for it. You press. Press. So he's shown us that we can actually determine the circumstances of our lives.